FundedNext versus 5ers. So let's get started. So start with FundedNext. FundedNext is a fast-growing prop firm offering funding for up to $200,000 with both evaluation and instant fund models and profit sharing with up to 90%. Now the 5ers or the 5 percentagers are the trading and the veteran prop firm that funds traders with instant capital, with a unique low-risk approach and long-term scaling model. They are highly respected in the prop trading space as well. So let's talk about their pros and cons. So FundedNext offers up to 90% profit split, offers Evaluation Express, and a daily payout option available for Express. Now the 5% traders, on the other hand, has an instant funding starts from day one, which is well respected for risk management and longevity. It also has an up to 100% profit split in scaling pace, and it is one of the longest standing legit prop firms. So in conclusion, choose Funded Next if you're looking and want high leverage, fast payouts, and large scaling potential. And choose 5ers if you're a patient, risk-aware trader who prefers a steady growth path.